Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I thought I would just talk about kind of the direction this channel is going or may go. Lately I've had a hard time coming up with content since I do live in Arizona. I do not live that close to Disneyland where I can go every day type of thing, so cannot do the videos that I would like to do at Disneyland. However, I do have trips planned, or a trip planned in February, which I typically, my son and I typically do go in February, so I kind of have that all planned out, so I'm excited about that, but that's like 4 months away. So in the meantime, I've got to figure out what to do for this channel. In the past, I've done vlogs, kind of thinking about going back in that direction along with the Disney stuff. I don't want to get away from that, but just to kind of fill in for when I don't have things to do on Disney. Pretty much almost have to buy stuff in order to have stuff to like review and that. I mean, I do have still some more things that I could do, but you know, I'm running out of those kind of things. So and then being at the parks would be fun, but like I said, that isn't an option at this point. So maybe when I go back there I can do more of that. I did do a video recently on the Disneyland bandstand. That was fun to do, and if you haven't watched that, you should look for that one and check it out. It's on my channel. It was a couple weeks ago. I can do things like that, but anyways, I'm just kind of figuring out what direction this channel should go and if I should go back to doing vlogs. If you are a subscriber, or even if you're not a subscriber but you regularly watch this channel, I would appreciate your comments. So please put some comments down below. What would you like to see me do? There's always problems, because the problem with doing vlogs is that I'm in Arizona and I don't have the ability to just travel around and do things like that, which would be a lot of fun. But for me, I can't do that because I do have a full-time job, and this is just kind of a hobby for now, so I can't do that. So basically the vlogs that I do would just be around Scottsdale, Mesa, Tempe, Phoenix area, and that's kind of what I've done in the past. So my channel has focused mostly on Disneyland. There's two reasons for that. One is that that's where I've gone most living in Arizona. I've gone to Disneyland more than Disney World. Disney World I was able to go, or have gone, for 2 times in my life, and Disney World's a blast as well. I do enjoy it. It's just that I know more about Disneyland and have been there more often, and so that's why I tend to focus on Disneyland, and my collections tend to be more Disneyland related for that reason, just because that's where I've gone more often. However, I do have a collection of Disney World stuff, so that's a possibility. I could show you some of that stuff as well, and that's another thing I could do, but that's, you know, one video or a couple of videos, whatever. So that's not going to keep me going. My last trip to Disneyland, my son and I went to the big auction that they had there, and of all the Disneyland related items, it's from Disneyland, it was called, and that was a lot of fun. And then we did go and spend about 7 hours at Disneyland and had a blast there as well. That time we stayed at one of the Good Neighbor hotels, so I already made reservations once again for the same place because it was so close. Yes, it is more expensive, but thought that it would be nice to do that again. In the past, when we've stayed for our Disneyland trips, we usually stay 3 to 4 miles from Disneyland, but the last time, like I said, it was one of the Good Neighbor hotels, and it was really nice because we could just walk there. We didn't have to park, we didn't have to pay to park, and then it was just a short walk. You could actually see Disneyland right from the hotel, which was pretty sweet. And didn't have to ride the tram, though the tram can be fun to ride once in a while. It was nice. It just saved a lot of time, and it was great. And so that's kind of what we're going to try once again on this upcoming February trip. So the purpose of this video really is to get your input on where you would like to see this channel go. I will, like I said, I will stick with the Disneyland things, but are you into Disneyland itself? Are you into unboxings? Are you into vlogs, non-Disney related stuff? What would you like to see? I'm getting close to 500 subscribers, and that's pretty exciting, but I do need to know what direction I'm going to go with this channel to improve it, and I really need your input as to where you would like to see it go. What would you like to see? Please give me your comments. I may do them, I may not, but no comment is a bad comment when it comes to helping me with the direction of what you would like to see. The weather finally is getting nice here, so that gives me the opportunity to get out and do more things, or at least feel like doing more things, because it's not so hot, and so that's a plus, and could help with vlogs if I went that direction. If by chance you have stumbled on this channel and this is your first video, this is not typically what the videos are like, so I encourage you to go back and look through the many videos that I've done. I have done a lot, and I'm sure there's at least one that would interest you, and so go check those out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you are not a subscriber. So that's going to be it for this video. Pretty short video, but again, I need your input, and if I don't get input, then I'll have to figure it out on my own. And I want to do things that you guys might like, instead of just, you know, picking something and then nobody watches it. It's fun to do these videos, but when it doesn't get many views, it's kind of disappointing, and so it's fun if you have something that people like and you know, get a fair amount of views anyways. Sometimes the videos that I take the longest with actually have done not as good as the ones that that I haven't spent as much time on, so that's kind of disappointing. So I'm trying to figure out what is best. So please let me know in the comments section below, as I've said earlier in this video. Hope to see you next week. By next week, hopefully I'll have something much better, and maybe a direction as to which way I'm going to go with this. So until next time, guys, remember, it's as normal as it gets. Bye, guys. See you next time.